Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about some of the new features Jobber just released this week. Game changers, if you ask me, for any service business. Now, I'm an electrical contractor in 2 states. If we've never met, what's up? My name is Jeff, the 360 Electrician. I'm the #1 channel on all social media to help electricians become electrical contractors and for electrical contractors to run their business and level up. I do courses like the 360 Electricians Contractor Playbook. It's an 8-week intense course to get you as fast as possible from 0 to 360. I've been doing this for well over 20 years, and I bring you the tips and tricks here on this channel for really any marketing or sales or anything for a service-based business. Right now, let's talk about Jobber. Now, we're actually looking at one of my screens for the Montana business. And I just ran a marketing campaign, and I want to show you how that works and how awesome it is. Now, I just ran a campaign about 30 minutes ago. I've already got a click rate of 21.7% with an opening rate of 0.2%. I don't know if that's good or not. This is the very first campaign I've ever tried, but hey, so far so good. It's better than nothing. I literally did this in less than 10 minutes. I want to show you how. First thing you're going to do is you're going to click that marketing tab. You're going to click on campaigns right over here. And then we're going to go and click new campaign. And you're going to pick here what kind of campaign you want. That's one way to do it. Or you're just going to put a campaign generator through AI right here, which is what I did. So you can offer discounts, you can do one-off specials, you can do seasonal offers, which is probably what I should have done with generators. You can do holiday greeting just to tell people, hey, what's up? You remember me. You know, listen, going back to seasonal offers, if you do Christmas trees or if you do pool services, winterizing them, summerizing them. So what I'm going to start with is the AI generator. I think it's the best way to go. It's the way I did the generator one, and you want to tell it what you do. It already knows everything about you, by the way. It's scanning your website. It's scanning your Jobber. It's scanning everything. The AI has full control or full availability of your ecosystem, everything that you do. So everything it's going to do is going to be based on pulling from what it already knows about you. Obviously, you don't have to tell it you're an electrical contractor or a lawn service or this or that. It already knows. So what we want to do is I want to do a winter campaign to sell whole house backup generators by Briggs and Stratton. I want to make 3 offers. One would be for a 22 kilowatt whole home generator at $1,000 off. The second, I would like to make $300 off a portable backup generator and transfer switch and 6-circuit transfer switch. Now, guys, I'm just talking right now. I'm just in my mind. I'm creating this right here on the AI. Now I'll go back up. Of course, backup is one word, so I apologize about that. Let's just clean it up. I like clean AI. You want to be, Stratton is, I think, T-O-N. There you go. With a 6-circuit transfer switch included. Last, or let me say the third offer is $100 off a 6-circuit. Let's do a 4-circuit. You know what? For $100 off, let's do a 6-circuit backup generator transfer switch using your own portable generator. Does this make sense? So look, people have their own generator, but they don't have back transfer switches. They never have. They maybe never even thought about it. Make it, let's see. Make sure our phone number and contact email is also in the body of the text. I like to do that. I want everybody to know. All right, let's generate it. We ready? Gonna hit that button and whoa, it's already going. It's already moving. Analyzing your industry, reviewing your business details, crafting your email content. Well, let's see. First, well, I already did one for a generator, so this is my second try, but it's the first time doing it like this. Pretty fast, almost done. There it is. Didn't take more than 30 seconds. Wow, look at that. Okay, great. All right, it already pulls the clients that I have that have signed up for my emails. That's amazing. 592 clients are going to get this. It's got my reply email address. It's got the content, stay powered this winter with our backup generator deals. Look at that little snowflake. Love it. And here it is. Now, here is the campaign it's going to send. Dear Natasha, it's putting that as a placeholder. It's going to say, Dear Jeff, as the winter season approaches, ensuring your home stays powered during unexpected outages is essential. At 360 Electric, we are excited to offer exclusive deals on Briggs & Stratton backup generators to keep your home warm and safe. Amazing. Check out our special offers. Here it is. A 22 kilowatt whole home generator, save $1,000. Portable backup generator, get $300 off plus a 6-circuit transfer switch included. 6-circuit backup generator transfer switch. Enjoy $100 off when using your own portable generator. I love it. These offers are designed to provide peace of mind during the chilly months ahead. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your backup power solutions today. For more information or to schedule your installation, contact us. It put my phone number, my email. Stay safe and powered this winter. Regards, 360. Okay, pretty nice. Not bad, you guys, but here's the game changer. Are you ready for this? Check this out right here. You see where it says content? We're going to hit edit and look at this little thing right here. Here's the body. You're more than welcome to change it. It's defaulted it to your phone number and defaulted it to your address. You guys can see it there. Here's the default. Now, I have Canva. I opened up Canva and I made my own thumbnail because it asked for, if we go back to Jobber, it asked for a landscape ratio. It didn't tell us what it needs to be. And it also says it needs to be 5 megabytes maximum. So if I hit upload and I go to today's date and I pick the generator sale, look at this. It's automatically, bam! Now it's totally customized, graphics and everything. Look how amazing that looks, you guys. This is all built within Jobber. I didn't go outside of Jobber. It has all my contact information. I don't have to pay another third party to put this together like Chipmunk or Email Monkey. I don't even know what it is. Even my Kajabi or anything. I got it all in Jobber. This is a game changer. Do you not understand how this is going to help you 10x and level up by just simply getting Jobber as your CRM, your backup software? Right here, you can even send a test. Right here, you can even send a test email. There it is. There's the test email. Bam, boom, bow. Dear Bob, because it's the test email, there it is with the special offers. There's our phone number. There's our email. And check this out. With Jobber, click that, and you can actually request a quote. Look at that. Is that amazing? Right there through Jobber. Now, as soon as they hit submit, it's going to come right back to Jobber and come into my notifications and my requests as a job lead. Is that amazing? Phenomenal. Guys, this is Jobber. Now, if you want more on Jobber and you want me to teach you a lot more, my best tips and tricks, how I use Jobber, my terms and conditions and all that, all you got to do is click the link in the description in the bio or on my website, www.the360electrician.com, on my affiliates. And if you use my link, there's 3 things you're getting where you're not going to get anywhere else. You will get the 14-day free trial of Jobber, no credit card needed. That means you can go in freely. They don't take your credit card information. You can kick the tires for 14 days, no obligation. The second thing, though, is if you decided in that 14 days, let me click buy. You're going to get 20% off whichever plan you get for the next 6 months. But here's the triple kicker. You're going to get more videos like this, but a special invitation called All Things Jobber, where you're going to be invited for free because you signed up with my link to learn the best tips and tricks from me using it in the real world on how I do my billing, how I do my receivables, how I enter payments, but most of all, the back-end stuff, the terms and conditions, the graphics, how you're going to populate it. A lot of good stuff are going to go into that All Things Jobber webinar. Guys, I hope you're excited. Get into All Things Jobber. Use that link on the screen, as I said, in the bio below, and we will see you guys on the next one.